Welcome to my channel. Spectrum Router Login. How to log in to Spectrum Router Logging in is easy, and all you need is to connect your PC to the Spectrum router. You can connect either using a LAN Ethernet cable or using the Wi-Fi network. Open a web browser on your PC and open a new tab. Type the default gateway address for Spectrum router http://192.168.0.1 and hit enter. You will be taken to the Spectrum router login page and will have to enter the administrator username and password to proceed. The default username and password for Spectrum routers are username, admin \password, password. You will be successfully logged into Spectrum router login page. You can access the settings of your router and manage your Wi-Fi network from here. Change Spectrum router SSID and password. Log into the Spectrum router page using the method above. In the SSID field, enter a new SSID for your Spectrum Wi-Fi network. Thanks for watching.